People have been living on our planet Earth for many centuries. One of the global problems that people face nowadays is the ecological problem. For many decades, the biggest problem of large cities and industrial areas has been air pollution. The worst air polluters are cars, buses, and planes, which emit toxic fumes into the air. Many factories and plants also pollute air and water by throwing away their waste. As a result, in the atmosphere, pollution mixes up with oxygen and water and it becomes acid. The polluted clouds can be carried by the wind for long distances. When it starts raining, this pollution lands on everything: grass, trees, buildings, and even clothes. This rain is called acid. Acid rain also gets into lakes, rivers, and seas, making their water toxic. The polluted water does harm to different species of fish and plants. How can the problem of acid rains be solved? First of all, we should use alternative sources of energy, such as solar or wind energies. Also, for several years, the governments of many countries have been forcing the owners of plants and factories to reduce air pollution that is the cause of acid rains. Some plants and factories have already been using up-to-date filters that make smoke less harmful to the environment. Vocabulary: to face, an ecological problem, air pollution, air polluters, to pollute, to emit, toxic fumes, waste, polluted clouds, acid rain, to do harm, solar energy, wind energy, to reduce, up-to-date, harmful. We must not ignore the problems of environmental pollution and make everything possible to stop it.